how much does commissioning save? I tried to look at some reference here because I was very concerned about on a national level in the United States, how much are we losing every year in terms of energy efficiency, in terms of productivity, because of improper commissioning in many buildings here? And one of the references here say, it's an old one, I'm sorry for that, but it says $3 to $17 billion a year. That was published in 2004. They are a lot more than that right now. If I were to guesstimate this, and I'm sure there are studies for this, but we're talking about billions of dollars based on what I've witnessed myself in many large institutional facilities, university campuses, factories, hospitals. We're wasting a lot of energy in the US, and many of it is controls based. And the reasons mentioned here in this study here by Lawrence Berkeley National Labs, very respectable, are obvious ones. I mean, you can see here duct leakage. HVAC system operates continuously during unoccupied periods. Simple stuff. Lighting system illuminating space during unoccupied periods. How many times you walk by a facility that's basically closed at 7 or 8 p.m. and the lights are blasting on for a few hours after that. HVAC systems improperly balanced. That's why I talk about testing and balancing. Improper refrigerant charge. Economizer dampers operating incorrectly, whether it's air side, water side, enthalpy dry bulb, insufficient evaporator flow, improper control setup in the commissioning, control component failure, degradation. Well, you got to maintain your systems. A component could fail and could cost you thousands of dollars over the years. Software programming errors. This is a very serious problem here. You have a control system intended to do something, but the programmer doesn't program it as intended and doesn't test the programming to deliver the operation that was intended of it. So that was a major issue here with the software programming, improper controls, hardware installation, air-cooled condenser fouling, and valve leakage. As you can see here, those are just 13 general categories. Many of them are quite obvious, but costing us $20 billion a year or more, in my opinion.